I'm William. I'm the founder of Hackmamba. Hi. So, I'm not here to share anything novel, but I run Hackmamba, and we're an agency. We help software companies create developer content. To do this, we spend a lot of time, and we use a lot of tools, different tools. We use stuff like Linear, Dropbox Paper, Google Docs, Plannable, Buffer, just to create a piece of content. Before now, we'd pay like a lot in subscription, but with vibe coding, we decided we could build a piece of all the software. How many of you here have used any software where you just need a piece of it, not all of it? Great, hands. Exactly. I'm also in the same boat. I need a piece of software, but it feels like the curse of building a great, or building software today is it gets bloated. So we decided to build Boki. Boki is just, I don't know what to call this. I don't know if it's, I think the closest is to call it a content operations platform, but basically we just use it to plan content, create content briefs, write the content. We wanted to write MDX, content in MDX, which you probably wouldn't do in something like Google Docs. We're able to build something like that. We used Bitly to create short links. We just threw in a short link service as well. We also distribute content on social media. So we want to schedule content on LinkedIn, on Twitter. We decided to just throw one in as well. So I just wanted to share what's possible with vibe coding today. Also, because there's AI as we have it today, we could throw in stuff like content reviews for Grammarly. Essentially, any tool we use and we feel like we don't want to pay so much for, we just need a piece of it, we just build it into something like this. This is an internal tool, so it's not available for anyone to check out yet. Yeah, that's pretty much my demo. But if you want to see it live and see what we've done, we built all this in a month or less, and we just keep improving it every day. You can go to app.boki.io. This is staging environment. We call it winter. But you can check Boki on app.boki.io. Yeah, that's it.
Final question.
Yeah.
How much money do you think you're saving by doing this?
So probably not much. Yeah, because I think about the cost, right? We pay for all these tools. We probably spend anywhere from $500 to $600 a month, multiplied by 12. So not a lot, but the goal here, since we're an agency, is the ability to probably productize this. Our customers have these issues, and we work with software companies in marketing that have content operations problems. So maybe when we use this and it works, we roll it out to our customers and it becomes a product. Yeah, that's the plan. So, but it's not saving us a lot of money. We're hoping to eventually roll it out to our customers and make money from it. Yeah.
Thank you, William.
Yeah.